Here we are at the Zoo. Extra spins and double up. Here we go. Well, lady. Here we go. Here we go. Saw the minor. Let's do a little bit. Here we go. Come on, one more on the bottom. Do it. Yeah, looking good so far. Looking good. Here we go. Come on, let's get a mini or a minor. Mini or a minor. Come on, let's do it to it. Come on. You can do it. There we go. Oh, yeah. All right, we need one on the top. Give us one on the top, one on the top, one on the top. Do it. Oh, I saw the mini. Good, looking good. Come on, drop. There we go. Game finished on the top. Let's focus on the bottom. There we go. Ooh. Still looking for that mini. Saw it there. Come on, baby. All right. Who did it? Who lost my symbol? Okay, we're back up to 4. Come on, let's drop that mini. Drop. Come on, we want the mini. Do it. Yeah. There we go. We're still alive. All right, here it comes. Come on, drop me one more. Drop another one. Drop. You can do it. Drop another one. Come on, one more. Last spin. Here we go. Come on, drop. Bummer. Well, let's see how we did. Alternate, aka known as the Firecracker machine. Not too good.